Hey guys, it's a tribal wars video today. Not really sure what to do, so I'm gonna show you how I'm timing stuff. So basically, um, I have everything set up nicely. So I'm gonna show you on the next tab. It's a bit laggy, so there's a couple of nukes and the noble train. And then I timed some defense and some random defense as well. But the thing is, this Saitama noob is a traitor and being sit account set by 4 members. So that means I need to be more precise because they already recapped some of our villages. So as we can see, I'm gonna land at 01, 46 and 02, so with 55 milliseconds. So basically I need to smash that send button at 2 seconds over 46 minutes, and it's gonna happen in a couple of seconds. So basically what I do, find a village that can reach it, and I set up everything perfectly. So I have my time in my mind, so it's 46:02 and 55 milliseconds. So I still have to wait a little bit. I usually just paste the, you cannot see this, but I paste the landing time in my browser, just where you write the websites. As long as I don't refresh anything, it's gonna be okay. So, and as in the sniping videos I have mentioned, I like to kind of tap my fingers, feel the time. You get a better feel of each second, It kind of slows down, once you get a little high. Okay, so let's get ready. So 46:02, 1, 2, boom. Let's do this. Okay, a bit of a lag. Maybe it's because of this recording program. Usually my lag is like from 50 milliseconds to like 150 milliseconds. So let's see. This one might be a bit longer, but more often than not it's gonna be enough. So as you can see, we got it a bit too late, but still like less than 300 milliseconds. If they want to recap this village with a small amount of troops, they will have to spend some time to time this, and I know they're just moving in the area, so not gonna be that easy for them. So this is how I'm usually timing stuff. So basically pick a village, go ahead and search for something that's closest, and there's also a snipe script for that. I haven't used it for a while because nobody attacks me and I'm not really a frontline player, but maybe I will make a better sniping script tutorial and overall sniping, because I have old one, like 10 years old, with really bad audio. Well, I'm not saying this audio is great, but well, it's decent, at least you can understand me. So I think I should make a quicker video, so in like 2 minutes you can learn how to snipe properly. But if you don't have premium or anything else, you can just do it this way. Find the village, check the times. If the times fit, just wait and send the attack, or in my case defense, so support. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.